Hello everyone, I'm Shelza, your computer teacher. Today we'll discuss about ports and connections. A port is a channel through which data is transferred between input-output devices and the processor. There are several types of ports that you can use to connect a computer to external devices and network. Let's study about those ports. Here you can see it is the back side of the CPU. Fine, it is the back side of the CPU. Here you can see the different kinds of ports are present there. What is the purpose of ports? They are used to connect all the input output devices with the CPU. That's why they are able to communicate with each other. Fine, so let's discuss all the ports one by one. The first port you can see here is here you can see the highlighted portion. This is the power supply port. A motherboard and the other components inside a computer use direct current. A power supply takes alternating current, that is AC, from a wall outlet and converts it into the DC power so that your CPU can consume the same. So here is the port, which is the power supply port, which is used to connect the power supply adapter with the CPU. I hope it is visible to you and clear to you. Here you can see there are two ports. These both ports are known as PS2 ports. The purple one is for connecting the keyboard with the CPU and the green one is for connecting the mouse with the CPU. But nowadays these ports are getting replaced by the USB ports. Fine. Here we have the serial port. This is basically a 9-pin port, but initially it was used for connecting the modems and the printers, but nowadays it is getting replaced by the USB ports. So we'll move to the next port type. Here you can see it as the parallel port. It is a 25-pin port which was used to connect the printers etc. Here you can see it is a VGA port. VGA port is used to connect the monitor with the CPU. Basically it is a 15-pin port. Here you can see in the picture these are the USB ports. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. We use this to connect the devices such as mouse, modem, keyboard, printer etc. Now you can see here it is the RJ45 NIC port, or you can also say it as the network port. We use this to connect a computer to other computers to exchange information between the computer. We also use this port to connect any other networking devices, like to connect with the modem, router, or multimedia projectors etc. Here in the picture you can see there are some audio jacks. These are for taking input from the microphone and for providing output to the speakers and earphones etc. Here you can see these slots are the expansion slots. For example, you are expanding anything in your CPU, at that time you can use these expansion slots. For example, you are having a keyboard with the USB port, you are using mouse with USB port, you are using speakers with USB port, and you also wanted to connect when one pen drive with your system. Your three ports are already occupied, you are required two or three more USB port. At that time you can expand your CPU ports. Here in these slots you can have here two more USB ports. Here you can extend anything, you can expand anything whatever you wanted to insert into your CPU. Any other kind of port you can also add here in these expanded slots. So I hope it is clear to you. Now you might be aware of all the kind of ports. Thank you so much everyone.